Can you believe it? Every day in schools, factories, and parking lots, countless incidents go unseen. Now, ACTi crime reporting with evidence changes everything. Every second becomes undeniable proof. It's not just recording, but real-time protection that redefines safety and control. First, instant evidence capture. The moment theft or conflict occurs, ACTi records and uploads instantly. In school halls, factory lines, or parking gates, 4MP videos sync to the cloud and control center in real time. No delays, no blind spots, just instant truth for rapid action and accurate evidence. Next, incident tracing. Administrators can instantly locate footage by time or location tags. Whether a school dispute, factory mishap, or parking accident, just search, replay, and export. It streamlines investigations, saves labor, and brings smarter, faster case resolution. Finally, alert and report automation. When AI detects intrusions, unsafe acts, or suspicious vehicles, ACTi sends alerts, snapshots, and auto reports to guards instantly. Even without constant watching, it ensures complete, automated protection for 24/7 efficiency. Why choose ACTi? It's 30 to 50% cheaper than Axis with the same reliability. For system integrators, that means higher margins and better competitiveness. ACTi ensures strong evidence protection, reduced risk, and efficient management with smarter investment. Act now. Let ACTi crime reporting with evidence protect schools, factories, and parking lots. From instant capture to AI alerts, every frame becomes undeniable proof. Discover how ACT brings safety and intelligence together today.